fellas watching me preparing for my seed sowing here with hardy annuals. So now I have my boxes prepared, and these are just kind of like a Tupperware boxes with a lid on. You can either get these on Amazon or I'm sure you have some saved up around the house from your takeaways. And I put a mixture of soil in. So this is kind of my own mix. It's some soil, a little bit of sand, a little bit of core and vermiculite and water, and you just basically mix it together to the consistency that you are able to actually squeeze the mixture in, and it will stay like in a bowl, and then you just put it in to these boxes. And I do not have the soil blocking tool yet, so what I did so far is that I put the soil in, probably you can see in here, put the soil in, and then I cut those little blocks with a knife. So I have 10 little blocks in each of these. So let's see how this will go. And let's just put these in. So it's 1 seed per little square. So the first one I'm doing, it's Serenity. I got the seed packet out, so it comes in those little packets, and the seeds are inside. It's quite hard with one hand. So you see the seeds are quite big, and it's not too many in a packet. Might be actually just 10 exactly. So this is the Serenity seeds. It is exactly 10 of them actually in the little packet. So it's 1 per little cell. So 1, 2, 2, 3. You guys don't have to watch me doing all of this, plus it's quite fiddly, so I'll be back in a second. All of them are in now, and what you just need to do is just basically the rule with seed sowing is that the seed needs to go kind of in a depth of 2 to 3 times of its size, so you just kind of have to push them in. And I'm really hoping they will all germinate, since it's just 10 of them. Yeah, something like that. Right, just gently close them. You don't have to squeeze or anything, just literally just put a bit of a soil on top. And that's done. And obviously, because you can see the soil mixture is quite wet, you don't have to water it now. Make sure you label it. So you can label it either with a sticker on top of the box, or you can just write on top of the box, or if you want you can put the plant label in, whichever. And I always whenever I'm planting, I always put a date on as well, so I know when it's been planted. Yeah, cover it with the lid obviously, and just keep checking on the moisture level. Don't let it dry out, because they are in a small place. They will dry out quicker. The fact that it will be covered, it will kind of create its own microclimate and keep it moist, but when the seedlings will obviously touch the lid, you will have to remove the lid and just let it breathe a bit. Then it will be a little bit harder to keep it on on the moist side, but that will take some time. And then obviously the seedlings can be either transferred outside, or you can keep them in your polytunnel or greenhouse or inside. I will see what I'll do with mine. I probably will have a lot of them. But yeah, this is just the beginning of the seed sowing. These are just a few of the hardy annuals that I'm planning to sow, and yeah, I will keep you posted. The very, very a huge advantage of this method of the soil blocking is that these little boxes take much less space than if you were to put them in individual pots, and then you can obviously transplant them easier. I will try to get the tool for the actual soil blocking. I think it will be much easier and quicker, and the blocks will be kind of cut out better than I did with this, but this will do for now. Yeah, anyways, hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are enjoying planting out your hardy annuals or biennials or bulbs even. And yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.